Allah Jalla Majduhu categorically states that whoever denies the deen, they are barred from entering the heavenly world and will taste bitter punishment. And those who will believe and do righteous deeds, they will not be burdened with something which they cannot do, but their reward is infinite. And then Allah Azza wa Jal mentions a scene like we have seen through books or visualization or through film. This is a real scene which Allah Azza wa Jal has captured for us. وَنَادَى أَصْحَابُ الْجَنَّةِ أَصْحَابَ النَّارِ. Ashabul Jannah. Allah says, when the people of heaven, the dwellers of heaven, this is the scene when they have not entered the Jannah yet. But Allah says, وَنَادَى أَصْحَابُ الْجَنَّةِ أَصْحَابَ النَّارِ, that they will address, they will call, they will mention to the people of Hashr, أَنْ قَدْ وَجَدْنَا مَا وَعَدَنَا رَبُّنَا حَقًّا. They will mention that we have found all the promises of Allah truthful today. We are seeing hell, paradise, and the azab and the ni'ams and everything. فَهَلْ وَجَدْتُمْ مَا وَعَدَ رَبُّكُمْ حَقًّا. Have you also found that truthful, the promises of the Lord? And what are the promises of the Lord for the bad doers, the evil doers? Is a bad end and a punishment. They will say yes. So Sayyidina Imam Hussein radiallahu anhu wanted this pure message of deen to continue, and especially he could not tolerate that in his lifetime, he being the son, the grandson of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that the deen is distorted and someone is hijacking the deen. This was intolerable for him. So it was a great mission which he completed in a perfect level, not in low level, but a perfect level.